Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can move sections on Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, we are right now on Wix website editor. In order to get here, all you need to do guys is right here in my sites page, make sure you click on the website that you want, click on select and edit site, and then you will be here in the dashboard. Once you're here in the dashboard, make sure that you're in the home page and then go out to the right and click on edit site. Once you click on edit site, you will be directed to this page. In this page, you will find all the tools that you will need in order to customize your website. So as you can see guys right here, those are the sections of the website. In order to move the sections, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and click on the section that you want to move and then just hold the left click on the section, and then from here you can change the position. And for example, here you can also click in this arrow. From here you can move section down or also move it up. As you can see guys, here in the left you're gonna find some other tools like add elements, add section, pages menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS, and marketing and SEO. For example, in order to add elements to your section, click here and then you can choose from here. You can add text, image, button, strip, decorative box, and so on. Anything that you will choose, you'll find here some choices. Just choose which one that you'd like and then click on it, and it will be added very easily to your section. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.